Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure the router is powered and the internet LED is steady. Reboot it if the lights are odd. Next, unlock your phone and turn on Wi-Fi. Enable Bluetooth only if you plan to use WPS or a manufacturer app. If you have admin access, note the SSID and password printed on the router or in the settings. Once done, move close to the router so signal strength is strong and prepare to select the network. You select the SSID from the Wi-Fi list and enter the password precisely. Use the Show Password option to avoid mistakes. If the router supports WPS and you prefer a push-button method, press the router WPS and then tap WPS on your phone within about 2 minutes so they pair automatically. For routers with a smartphone app or guest network flow, open the app, follow guided prompts, and allow location or network permissions as you finish by testing the connection. Load a web page or play a short stream to confirm data flows. Then secure the setup. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption in router settings, change the default admin password, and install any firmware updates so performance and security improve. If something goes wrong, here is the key troubleshooting tip. Forget the network on your phone, reboot both phone and router, and then reconnect. This clears cached credentials and often resolves handshake issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.